So here we'll be looking at limits and one-sided limits. So what is the actual definition of a limit? Well, the limit of f of x as x approaches a can be written as the limit as x goes to a of f of x equals to L, where L is the limit value. It's important to note that 1, x is approaching a, not equal to a, and 2, if the limit exists, then the limit equals the left-hand limit, so represented by this x equals to a to the minus, which is also equal to the right-hand side limit. So these are one-sided limits. Let's look at some limit laws. So the first limit law over here is that if we have limit x approaches a of f of x all to the n, that will be equal to the whole limit to the power of n. Second limit law is that if we have a limit as x approaches a of x to the n, that will be equal to a to the n. Thirdly, if we have the limit of the nth root of x as x approaches a, this will be equal to the nth root of a. And lastly, if we have a limit as x approaches a of the nth root of a function of x, this will be equal to the nth root of the limit of the function as x approaches a. So let's look at an example. Say we want to find the limit of f of x as x approaches 2, where f of x is equal to x squared plus 4x minus 12 over x squared minus 2 if if x is not equal to 2. Otherwise, f of x is equal to 8 if f of x is equal to 2. So I just sketched this graph at the bottom over here. If we draw this piecewise function just in this small region, we see that the left-hand side limit, represented by this yellow line, over here. Let me just change the sign of this. So this is our yellow line on our left-hand side limit. As we approach 2 from the left-hand side, we'll see that our limit is actually equal to 4. So let's write limit equals to 4 over here. From the right-hand side, in purple, the limit as x approaches 2 from the right-hand side is also equal to 4. And because the left-hand side limit is equal to the right-hand side limit, we can conclude that the limit as x approaches 2 of f of x is equal to 4 as well. It's important to note that while the limit exists and is equal to 4, the function value at 2 is still 8. So even though our left-hand side limit and our right-hand side limit and our actual limit is equal to 4, the actual function value at 2 is 8. And this is where it's important to note that x is not equal to 2, x is approaching 2. And that is limits and one-sided.